Hi, welcome everyone. This is going to be the session on installation of IntelliJ. I am going to use IntelliJ as my IDE. Earlier I was using Clips, but this one is IntelliJ. Since I've been using it, I found it more robust and IntelliSense is really great. And this provides a well-rounded support for your Java projects. So let's go get started with it. This is our second session. So go to google.com in your browser and then say download IntelliJ and click on this link, download IntelliJ. Now there are two options, ultimate and community. Click on community because it's free if you're learning. If you are using it for professional users for more robust web and enterprise development, then go for this paid version. But I would suggest you, if you're learning it, then go for the community version. It's free, built and open source. And there are two options. You can download either exe file or zip file. I will download the exe file and click on download. The download will start, and once it's started, you can just go ahead and say next and install the IDE IntelliJ. For now I'm canceling it because I already have it. So I will go to my application folder and here I have my IntelliJ. So once I click on it, then this will open up. So I already have few projects in IntelliJ that I worked upon, various projects, Java, APM, Selenium, Cucumber, Rest Assured. So all of this is there because I have worked on it. But for you, you are going to click on new project. And once you click that, you can just give it the name, my first project. And you can choose the location where you want to store it. So I am storing it in my downloads. Language, remember to click on Java and build maven. So click maven and here you can select your so I have 1.8 as well, but I'm using 11. That's the latest version at the time of recording this. So once you do this, you can say create, and it is going to create a project structure for you. And once you have this with you, then you can click on this and you will see these folders getting created automatically. And if you click on source, there are two folders, main and test. Under main we have Java and resources, and under test we have Java folder. So most of the test scripts we are going to write in test. So that is there. Now form.xml, this is the heart of the Maven project. Now why so? Because before this, when we were adding dependencies to the project, we were using it, doing it manually, downloading and going one by one. But that was not very practical approach. So now people are using, in the industry, they're using Maven. So all you can do is you can just say dependencies, and under this you can add your dependency group ID artifact. I will show you how to get this in later videos. For now, just get the hang of it. So this is how it looks like, and I'll see you in next session where we are going to introduce Selenium, and we are going to include our dependencies here in pom.xml. I'll show you all that step by step. Do not worry, sit back and relax and watch these videos and gain the confidence you require to crack that job. So all the best. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe this channel playlist so that you are uh, staying tuned to the fact that I'm going to upload new content and you will be able to receive them instantly. So thank you so much.